bad, right?
So is that the small Loknya over there? Where the smoke is, right? There's the small Loknya. One group approached from the farm side. And then from the stream side. And one came from the train side. And there are the explosions. 3 groups. The enemy is in this house and this one.
From other directions where you've managed to fight?
With the beginning of January, there was a lot of FPV and drone activity with a fallback on Rapuli.
In those directions that are wounded on Yapuli, there's more artillery.
They're on Damanu. In the old Sorokina, there are about 40 boxes. Well, empty from PDFPV. That is in practice itself. Again, there lies an unused BC, but the enemy is generally very, I would say, quite skillful and adept. You see me like this. They found a breach in our REM defense where we were stationed and struck there.
Is the enemy different here compared to what it was like near Donetsk? I mean the infantry, which...
It's different. Near Donetsk, the guys were tough. The whole 9th Brigade was there. They fought fiercely. They were only carried out very. But here they kind of run away. They realize that we've moved.
The left, final one. If it's the plantations, we inflict damage with artillery. Mortars there.
GN2. And the remains check 3. If we affix them at check 20, and then accordingly within half a minute, 2 positions are taken. Well, they run.
Well, our guys note that the activity of the enemy's drone operators has significantly increased recently.
This is along the ridge, left Orlovka.
Next up is Gryazin.
Well, as you can see, Gryazin is clearly beyond that handle. Well, Gryazin is a new meeting.
Need to lie down. Legs are moving. Playing there.
This is the settlement of Pgrep. It was liberated by the fighters of the 9th Motorized Rifle Regiment and the 34th Brigade. The battles were tough. As you can see, there is a huge amount of destruction. Bodies of abandoned defenders still lie on the streets. And here, at Courage, our units moved further towards Malaya Loknya on their section of the front. They were supported by the 22nd Motorized Rifle Regiment, which literally in half a day managed to liberate 2 settlements at once. These are Stara Sorokina and Nikolaevsk. But this, as I understand, is the new Sorokina, right? How did the enemy greet you here?
This is the new Sorokina, indeed. The southern end of it. The enemy. In this village there were about 4 firing points as we entered accordingly. Near the BTR.
Damaged. We saw it and went to the houses.
The first one was the strongest. We took it out with artillery. Approached, cleared it. Accordingly, in these houses were mortar positions. They ran away, of course, but they took the mortar with them.
They left it with supplies. It is located in a wholesale garage.
And they gave near the cemetery. Well, it was shown on TV here.
This is a fight for the police? Well, accordingly, the next day we assessed the situation. We dragged mortars here.
Here they are. They found and rushed.
One door?
Here's equipment.
In this door is packed a variety of items and features.
truly beautiful American mine.
Nope. I do one. Each.
Mine and a fuse carried by auto allowance each already has it.
There. We powders, right?
Yes.
Footwear.
Here was located a hidden, very hidden enemy AGS position. The roof is exposed.
Here.
They specifically placed the AGS here, a prepared spot for the AGS. From here, the enemy moved stealthily and also operated in the direction of our forces. So it was almost vertically positioned. Vertically, yes, it was very convenient and very hidden here. That is, no one would ever think that there was an enemy AGS here. Let's go. I'll show you where the shells are stored. They stored the shells in civilian houses. They dug everything out from there. Now let's go. I'll show you the shells. Here are the boxes.
Everything is written on them.
Vincent, and here.
On the other side.
American weaponry. They brought in their AGS and equipment and into the homes of our civilians. They turned everything upside down here. After them.
Their weaponry was left behind. Tell me, how did you storm the old Sorokina? How did you raise the flag? Was it difficult? How? No, it wasn't difficult. We took them, raised the flag, started shooting. Then I shot down 2 birds when they hovered, trying to knock down the flag. I shot them down.
So.
And with the automatic rifle, with this one here, with this toy, guys, everything's fine. Victory will be ours. Only ours.
And this forest here, you see, all these woods.
It's from drones.
On fiber optic.
A strike drone of the aircraft type.
Lightning.
Also, on the outskirts of Malaya Loknya.
Here it is, Loknya, 150 meters to the left, and there's the enemy.
Now there's a haze from the burning.
The grass is burning, they don't let us hit the pizzerias. We know he's there. Now the neighbors are advancing from the left. We'll just cross a little and give them a hard time.
Actually, we are located in the old Sorokina, which was liberated. On Friday, here, the flags of Russia and the 22nd Motorized Rifle Regiment were raised. Over there, behind my wall, is Malaya Loknya. The enemy is still present there, but hopefully not much remains. And little Loknya will be here soon. Liberated, peacefully. Welcome, though Sorokino. Old Sorokino. The little one is waiting, of course. There.
What does it look like? Is it a firefight going on over there, where the smoke is, where Malaya Loknya is? Or is it just in the burning houses, ammunition is exploding? Boxes of cartridges, grenades. That very edge of the shelves, it partly goes there.